Today, I have to clean the Oriental rug. I have to. I have two big dogs, and I'm debating, shall I go to Home Depot, rent a machine, and steam the carpet myself? Shall I call a carpet cleaner to steam the carpet, to clean it at home? What is the good things? What is the bad things? Please allow me to show you, when you're watching how I clean the Oriental rug, allow me to explain to you why steam cleaning the Oriental rug, it's a very bad idea. Very bad. And let me explain to you why. First, you're putting hot water in the machine. Take the cleaning solution that's recommended by the salesman, and you put extra soap and deodorize and enzyme and all the crap, because your Oriental rug, it smells from urine odor. You scrub the Oriental rug for 2-3 hours, you work, the rug, it's clean, it's beautiful, and then you realize, then the rug smell like unpleasant. You say to yourself, you know what, tomorrow it will gone. Yeah. Wake up next morning, the whole living room smells so bad. Your wife already sending you the paper of the divorce, and you don't know what to do. So before you receive any paper from your wife and the aggravation, let me explain to you why cleaning Oriental rug at home, it's a very bad idea. The urine crystal that you try to send away from your house, it's hiding deep inside the foundation of the rug. You can scrub the rug as much as you want on the top, on the bottom. You will still have a urine crystal deep inside the rug. Crystal that you cannot remove. Take a look how my cleaning process extract all the pee-pee through the rug. There is absolutely no one cleaning service on the face of the earth that's using this technique. And this is the only technique can remove the urine odor through the rug. Because the pee-pee, it's bigger in the bottom than the top. You see it a lot of time on the pad. So you can scrub the rug. Stanley Steamer, Coit, everybody, you call them, you ask them, do you guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor? They will tell you, we will do the best, but we cannot guarantee it. Because the urine that hiding deep inside the rug can be removed only by cleaning the Oriental rug through. And when PetPeePee ship you the rug back, I ask my customer, please go on your knees, put your nose, whatever you want. Guarantee in writing, no trace